In this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to toothaches that actually work. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. If you've ever had a toothache, you know how important it is to get relief. A toothache, whether severe and sporadic or dull and continuous, can be more than just an irritation. It can ruin your entire day or keep you from sleeping at night. You may be wondering whether there are any at-home remedies you can try because you want the pain to go away as soon as possible. Of course, you want to protect your oral health, so going to the dentist if you have a problem with your teeth or gums is a must. However, to relieve the discomfort until you can see your dentist in St. Petersburg, FL, try any of these home remedies for toothaches. You can try these home toothache remedies. Tooth decay, gum irritation from food, a damaged tooth, repeated actions such as chewing, tooth removal, or an abscessed tooth can all cause toothaches. Although these are all conceivable, the most common cause of toothaches is nerve irritation in the tooth's root. Many of the solutions listed below reduce inflammation in your mouth, destroy hazardous bacteria, or function as a numbing agent for mild concerns. The majority of these toothaches are avoidable by flossing on a regular basis, brushing with fluoride toothpaste, and visiting your dentist every 6 months. These suggestions are not a panacea for a toothache that is causing you excruciating pain. Tooth decay can spread into the nerve, causing sensitivity to warmth and cold and, if left untreated, discomfort or throbbing sensation. If you have a severe toothache, you should seek immediate treatment. Please make an appointment with your dentist. Please check your doctor before taking herbal therapies if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a medical condition that may restrict you from using them. Applying ice to the aching tooth can assist to relieve discomfort. You can experiment with several variations of this technique. Wrap a cloth in ice and apply it to the affected region. Apply the compress for 15 minutes at a time. You might also try holding ice water in your mouth for a few seconds at a time. However, don't bite the ice because it could break your teeth. Raise your head. Although it may be tough to sleep with a toothache, lying down can aggravate your discomfort since blood pressure to your head rises when you are in a flat position. If feasible, raise your head up with pillows or sleep upright in a chair when going to bed. Medications available without a prescription. Aspirin and ibuprofen are anti-inflammatory medications that can provide pain relief. Pain relief can be improved by alternating acetaminophen, Tylenol, with ibuprofen, Advil. To relieve discomfort, some gels can be placed directly to your tooth and gums. Rinse with salt water. Rinsing your mouth with salt water serves two functions. The rinse motion might aid in the removal of things caught between your teeth. Furthermore, because salt is a natural disinfectant, it can aid in the treatment of any infection by lowering inflammation. Gargle a 12 teaspoons of salt with warm water like mouthwash. Rinse with hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide can also be used to combat inflammation and bacteria. When using a hydrogen peroxide rinse, combine 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide and 2 parts water. Do not consume the solution. It can be used as mouthwash. Tea sachets. You can use a cold or warm tea bag to clean your tooth. When using a used tea bag, ensure it has cooled sufficiently so that it is no longer hot but still warm. If you prefer a cold treatment, place a used tea bag in the freezer for a few minutes before applying it to your tooth. Because of its antibacterial characteristics, peppermint tea may be very beneficial for toothaches. Tea, on the other hand, might discolor your teeth, so don't use this method too frequently. Garlic. Garlic, in addition to fighting infections, is also a pain reliever. You can make a paste of crushed garlic and apply it to your tooth. You can also chew on a fresh garlic clove or place a cotton ball soaked in garlic oil on your tooth. Vanilla bean extract. Vanilla, another natural anti-inflammatory, can also aid to relieve toothache discomfort. Apply a small quantity to the affected region many times each day with your finger or a cotton swab. Clove. This spice can be used to cure toothaches in a variety of ways. Because clove is an antibacterial, it can help reduce inflammation and pain. Apply clove oil to the aching area with a cotton ball, or sprinkle a drop of the oil directly on your tooth. Alternatively, a drop of clove oil in a glass of water can be used as a mouthwash. Guava leaf. Guava leaves have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial qualities that can help relieve tooth pain. You can brew a tea out of the leaves and use it as a rinse, or you can simply chew on them for relief. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass has numerous advantages that make it an effective treatment for toothaches. It, like many of the other techniques described, is excellent for treating bacterial infections. Simply obtain some wheatgrass juice and rinse it in your mouth several times every day. Thyme. Thyme oil can be applied straight to your teeth or used as a rinse. Add a drop of oil to a glass of water and use as a mouthwash. Dilute some oil with water, sprinkle a few drops on a cotton ball, and apply to your tooth. While these cures may provide temporary relief, they should not be used in place of expert dental care. When you get a toothache, it is critical that you call us and schedule an appointment to have the tooth checked and treated. For almost 40 years, Clement Family Dental has provided exceptional dental services to the St. Petersburg region. In the event of a dental emergency, such as a toothache, we are delighted to provide same-day appointments. If you are experiencing oral discomfort as a result of a tooth or another condition, please contact us as soon as possible so that you can be seen by a dentist.